tell you, it's gonna be high. I think. It's gonna be...
That's a lot of
My first drone show. Oh, they did. Really?
I voted for it. They asked what would you like to see that's new. They did a poll. This is so cool.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
I think it's better than fireworks.
It is. It's quieter. It's less pollution. It's... I don't know how it's quiet though, because drones are usually noisy, right?
High technology.
That's insane. Wow.
No way.
Oh, wow. Woo!
Is that a butterfly?
Looks like it. Wow, dude.
This is amazing, right?
That is really cool.
I gotta have mom and dad over.
You have to, yeah.
Just imagine all the coordination. Gotta love technology.
In China, they have like even more insane things than this.
Well, I'll be thankful for what I got.
Me too. It's morphing.
Peacock?
Wow. Peacock. Wow, look at the head of the peacock. Dude, that's insane. The 3D head.
No more popping and banging.
I know. No more covering up our ears. This is the future of fireworks, I hope. And you can get shapes that stay. Oh, tiger, I see it. Wow, look at that tiger face.
Woo! Amazing.
Insane.
So cool. Wow. Unbelievable.
So cool, man. So cool.
The whiskers are moving. This is just incredible.
Oh, the head of a dragon. Wow.
It's an owl.
Oh, an owl?
That's what I think.
It's winking at us. Wow. How do they do a wink, right? That's crazy. Holy cow.
This is just amazing. Wow. Who invented the first drone trip, you know?
Oh, frog eyes. Okay. Oh, wow.
That's the tongue, huh?
Oh, wow. That's so cool. And that is going to be a
Snake.
sun, I think. The moon.
Moon. It's a half moon.
It's a sun, right?
Maybe, yeah. But suns are yellow.
Or whites, actually.
So incredible. Look at how close some of the drones are.
Headphones? Whatever it is, it's amazing.
Headphones, right?
Something on wheels? It looks like it's rolling though, right?
Yeah, I think you're right. Headphones.
There goes a plane right through it.
Look at how isn't it incredible how it's turning?
It really is.
That's just so cool.
That's the coordination of these drones. Oh my gosh, man. The programming. Just think about the programming, right?
Probably easy to do on a computer, right?
They're using AI probably.
I doubt it. These are all prescriptive routines.
What is that though? It's turning. Headphones don't turn like that. It looks good, whatever it is.
Giraffe.
Wow, look at that with a tree.
Sarah would love this.
She would, of course. Anybody that likes fireworks.
What make it look
In the water, yeah. Look at that, standing in the water too. Huh? My first drone show. Looks like they're around that tower even, right? They're just like straddling the tower, the drones.
No, it's just the optical illusion.
No, they're really around it. Oh, it is? It's gonna be... a bird?
I don't know what that is.
A snake, a cobra head. Oh.
Right, good job.
Wow, they got the tongue of the snake too. Look at that.
There's the cobra.
King Cobra. Just ahead of it. Wow. Straightening it out into something else. Oh, a train. I think
Yeah, it's a train. You're right.
train on tracks.
The Serengeti Express.
Or a roller coaster, maybe. Is that Santa in the front? Oh, yeah. In the video camera, it looks like. Oh, is that a ride here?
Probably.
Wow, look at that thing just turn. It's like looks like it's defying gravity. It just totally.
I wonder if you need certain wind conditions, right?
Oh yeah, good point.
Everything looks perfectly aligned.
Yeah, because strong winds would throw it off. Is that a ship?
Alligator.
Oh yeah, some kind of reptile. It's yellow though. Yeah, oh, wow, look at it turn its mouth towards us. 3D.
Cheetah.
I'm not really sure. There's the elephant. Wow. Moving ears and trunk. There goes an actual drone right there.
Oh, yeah.
You can see it.
Oh, look what they're doing. That's just a
Wow.
roller coaster, right? It's mapping out the Busch.
Maybe.
Oh, that's the Busch Gardens symbol.
Oh. Wow, that's so cool. Oh wow, that's insane. Holy cow. To make the logo in 3D.
Wow, that's amazing.
Busch Gardens got some money, don't they? Yeah! Hooray! That was like so quiet. I thought drones are noisy, right? I thought we'd be hearing tons of buzzing and
Yeah,
stuff.
because of the music, it's probably drowning out the
There's no way.
They'll bring back home to recharge.
Yep.
Or maybe not. Is there more? Oh, look.
Whoa! Wow. Yep, they're parking. I think that's the formation that they form, and then they go to park.
Oh, you're right. Parking plan.
Because they got to maintain them on the ground. All the ground maintenance.
I wonder who's doing the air traffic control. Definitely not you or air traffic control.
Well, they're so low to the ground. I don't think they need it.
It was a joke.
They didn't go that high. I bet air traffic control
I was
comes.
joking.
I know, but I'm just saying. I'm just wondering how high you have to be directed by air traffic control. You know?